Don't ever tell a woman what you got.
Dating now that you are, we'll say 50 and above, let's just kind of talk to those guys on some of the differences that they can expect. I already did a video kind of explaining on how I look at it, but I want to go ahead and give you all a chance. And Derek, we're going to start with you because you kind of more senior one in the group. I mean, experience, not in age, brother. I mean, you know.
We
But
all got gray, if I can.
yeah, you ain't lying. But Derek, I mean, let's just kind of start it off basic because I do remember one thing, and I'll start here. When I first told you that, hey man, I'm going to be getting out here, I'll never forget you saying, hey man, you're going to be putting 50 on your dating profile. Ain't too many women going to be filtering for a 50-year-old. And so now, and it's been 5 years later, even since then, but certainly, what advice would you first have? Or let me back up for one moment. What was one of the biggest differences you noticed when you got back out here to date, as opposed to when you were a young man showing up with candy, a box of chocolates, and going to a movie and dinner?
Whoa, yeah, it's different, man. It's for real different. I mean, we at this age now. You'll listen to the Samuels and you'll listen to all these other individuals talk about dating, but they're not talking about the 50 plus, the 45 plus, and things of that sort. It's completely different. You have to be aware. It's a lot more rejection at this age because women are looking for gimme, 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 and that's the sad part about it. Don't ever tell a woman what you got. You start off meek, start off very meek because you want them to know who you are and be about you first before, because it's sad to say that, women are at a stage now it's I worked too long. I'm too old. I need somebody that's going to be able to provide. And they don't look at the idea that they have to provide equally. I know we talk about the 50-50 relationship, and that's a thing that people need to understand, that don't go in here saying you're going to take care of a woman, because if you're divorced, that woman already took care of you by taking half of all you got already, if not more. So let's put it in perspective. This is an age where we have to say, you know what? I don't have time to milk a woman, if you will, and do that full extended courtship. And look, let's lay down and be factual. I want this in my life. But guess what? At the top and the bottom, it's called peace. I'll make my sandwich with the bread of peace in it, and let's go from there. And if they can't do it, time to move on. Don't get stuck. Don't get in a rut. Keep it moving.